can you access the private property of a class outside the class? There is a trick with which we can do that. So here I have an employee class and there is a private name which is of type string, and I have assigned it to a value, and I have created a object, and what I'm doing console log and I'm saying employee.name. Now if you see, it is giving compilation error, which is expected. What if I compile it to JavaScript? What will happen there? So what I will do, I'll run a build command, and if I go to the same JavaScript compiled output, you will see the compilation has happened. Here I have a name, and if I try to access it, it will allow me because it is not throwing any error. Now if you see, when compiling, it gave me the error, but it still generated the JavaScript output. So now if I run this JavaScript file, you will see that I'll get the output. So even though I added it as a private property in the JavaScript domain, I'll still be able to use it. So what is the solution for this one? So I'll come back to the TypeScript file, and instead of saying private, I'll remove the private keyword and add a pound sign or this hash sign. Now I'll update the employee.name. Then what I will do, I will compile this one. Now it is still giving error, that's fine, but it will still generate the JavaScript output. Then what I will do, I'll come to this JavaScript file, and here I will check it has added this name with this hash sign. Now this hash sign, even in the JavaScript domain, will mark it as strictly private. Now if you hover mouse here, it says property hash name is not accessible outside employee because it is a private identifier. So now if I try to run this JavaScript file, it will throw me the error. Now we have truly achieved private property.